Day everyone, and welcome to my presentation entitled Hyperlink Dynamics, focusing on hyperlinks specifically in relative and absolute links. And I am Vince Andy Cristal, your presenter for today's presentation. So let's start with the overview. We have the introduction, which will discuss the concepts and definition behind the hyperlinks. Also, we will discuss the relative links, absolute links, followed by their key differences and conclusion. Now, let's dive into introduction. So, hyperlinks allow users to navigate between web pages, request files or access specific content. It can link to web pages, media, program files, and more. It has common types of hyperlinks based on navigation, such as relative and absolute links, which we'll tackle earlier. So, hyperlinks are commonly embedded in websites to access different resources or different web pages in the website. For example, that there's a homepage, and in the homepage there is a navigation such as about us and contacts. So to access that, we will use hyperlinks. And if we embed external resources like YouTube, Facebook, and others, we will use link and we will use the hyperlink in that specific example. Next thing is the relative links. So we will tackle that concept and definition of the relative links. So relative links are links that point to web pages within the same website. It uses the anchor tag with an href attribute that points out where the navigation or the destination as the user clicks the web page or a specific button or something in the website. And also, it refers to the file name or relative path within the website. So, basically, that relative links is in the viewers or the users, as they click the following buttons or the link, they will go with the same website. Like the example earlier, which is the home, having the navigation such as about us and the contact us. And if we click the about us, you will go to the about us webpage, but still in the same web page. So we will go to example to further and analyze on how to implement it. So here the example of relative link. So it is more on the about us web page. So firstly, we will implement the anchor tag followed by with href attribute and its value. So as you can see that the href value is the file name which we said earlier. Then as the user clicks the about us or the name about us, you will go to the about web page, and but it's still in the same website that is included in the about us web page. Then followed by that is absolute links. So absolute links are links that point to web pages outside your website. It utilizes also anchor tag, same thing with the relative links with an href attribute containing full URL, and requires protocol like HTTP, specifically HTTP, since HTTP is a protocol on the transferring media, text, and others in the websites, or the secure one, which is the HTTPS prefix. So in this thing, absolutely is the different one since it links you to external website. For example, there is a YouTube link that is embedded in the web page. So as you click it, you will go external or outside the web page you created. So here is the example. So we will have the the anchor tag followed by the href attribute, but in the href attribute, there's URL, meaning that will that copy paste in the internet, and as you click or the user clicks the visit example, he or she will go externally to the website like in YouTube, Facebook, and other links available online. Next thing is their key differences. To further enhance the uses of relative links and absolute links. So here in relative links, it utilizes for internal website navigation, like in you have the several navigations and you can add more navigation in the web pages, and as you click them you will go to the same website like in the admin page, user page, and others. And suitable only the file name or path it needs, meaning that in the href attribute that the value will be the file name only to access the relative links. On the other hand, the absolute link is utilizes link for linking to external website like YouTube, Facebook, and others available in internet. So it requires URL, which is we show that I show earlier in the example in absolute links, following by protocol, which is the HTTP, or the secure one, which is the HTTPS. For the conclusion, we have the hyperlinks are significant for website navigation and connecting content with different resources or web pages available in the web page or website. Followed by that is relative links are utilized for internal navigation with the same website. And finally, absolute links are used for linking to external resources. And that's all. Thank you for listening for this presentation, and I hope you learned something.